Welcome everyone. Today we're going to compare two powerful AI, our ChatGPT 5 and Claude Sonnet 4. Both are free versions, not paid. The idea is simple, we're going to copy and paste the exact same prompt into both AI, and see which one gives us the best results in terms of UI and UX, code quality, and ease of use. First, let's start with ChatGPT. I'll paste the prompt. And as you can see, it's creating the files, writing the code. That didn't take too long, and it looks like we have a complete working system. Now, I'll ask ChatGPT to provide all the files as a zip folder. It took a little time, but in the end, it gave me exactly what I wanted. Now, let's move over to Claude Sonnet 4. Again, I'll paste the same prompt. This time, I'll ask it to provide a zip file after completing the task. But here's the difference, Claude took more time compared to ChatGPT. Also, since it has a message limit, I had to click continue multiple times until it finished generating. The good thing is, Claude gave me not only the code, but also a README file, a guide, and instructions on how to configure the system. Unfortunately, Claude didn't provide the project as a zip folder, so I had to download each file separately. After that, I created two separate folders. One for ChatGPT's output, and one for Claude's output. For Claude's project, I made sure to rename the files properly, following the folder structure in the README manual. Now it's time to test. I'll open XAMPP server, go to phpMyAdmin, and import the SQL file to create the database. Then, I'll paste both project folders inside XAMPP/docs. Now let's check how they work. Remember, this entire test was done using the free versions of both ChatGPT 5 and Claude Sonnet 4. You've seen how both AI perform. ChatGPT was faster and gave me a zip directly. Claude was slower, but provided extra documentation. Now it's your turn. Which one do you think is best?